Hey everybody, it's Ed Lewis. I want to welcome you back to another layout update on Conrails Katellen Sub. This topic is going to be a pretty quick one. It's actually a lot more simple than I thought it was going to be. Very clear instructions from Walthers on these things, so I just wanted to share it with you because I looked all over YouTube and there was no clear video on exactly how to program the DCC component of your Walthers switch machine. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. Just as a little notice to start the video, I do have the blue center jumper pins already in the switch machine, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you that. You can see there you have the blue jumper right here, and same thing on this switch right there. So with the power on and the center jumpers in, you should see your switch indicator flashing. I don't have one of the multicolored ones yet. I think I'm gonna replace this, use this for somewhere else. But next thing you're gonna do is go ahead and grab your NCE throttle. So I'll flip the camera around and we'll show you that. All right, so here's our NCE PROCAB. Very, very simple. So again, center pins are in. We're showing the center indication light. You're going to go ahead to your throttle, select accessory. Now I've assigned that this switch is going to be switch number 8, so it's already in there. So switch number 8, right? Hit enter. And what you want to do to program the switch is you're just going to hit 1, which is going to call for an on activation, or in this case I'll be reversing the crossover. So instead of straight rail, I'll be on a diverting route. So when you do this and you hit the 1, the switch machines are going to toggle real quick. So I'm going to hit the 1 while showing you the switch machine, and you'll see what it does. That quick little toggle it did there was the acknowledgement of taking the DCC address. So now what you do, you go ahead and pull your center pins out like that. And on this one, I gotta pull my switch wire off. I'll take the other center pin out, or center jumper, sorry. And you can hear that it activated it. Now make sure you hook your brown wire to the bottom on the appropriate spaces on the switch, like so. And now everything's back to powered. Your indicator light should be a solid color. Now we're gonna go ahead and test the indication and make sure that we are lined for the straight rail still. So hang on 1 second. All right, as you can see, we are lined straight rail and straight rail. So the switches are in correspondence. We'll go ahead and test throw it real quick. Throw it, and we do have our proper crossover. All right, go ahead and throw it back to normal. There we go. Now, with the NCE throttle, here comes the test that we were waiting for. Go ahead and select accessory. Accessory number 8, hit enter. And we're going to hit 1 to activate, and it should throw the switches in correspondence. Let's go ahead and see. There you go. Now to normal the switch again, just go ahead and hit accessory. Number 8 is acknowledged again. And this time we're going to go ahead and turn it off or normal. And there you have it. So very, very simple. And as you can see, it only takes minutes to do this. So for those of you that might be a DCC dummy like me, I hope this video is informative for you, answers whatever questions you might have. And we'll have another update coming soon, because now that we figured this out, the sky's the limit. I'm going to have all of the interlockings in here real soon. So thanks for tuning in to Conrails Katellen Sub, and we hope to see you again. Have a good day.